Hello and welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I showed how to create a flower bed in your backyard. I'll be attaching the link to the previous video in the description below. I, however, decided to add some extra layer of beauty to the flower bed. I modified it to look like this, and I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this. I removed the plastic edging and partially lifted the wood barrier to make some space for the stone edging. I then marked out where I was going to dig to install the stone edging. I then dug out the marked section. Now it was time to pour concrete mix to hold the stones in place. This is a very easy to use concrete mix. Just pour water to it and it's set. I then install the stones in place, making sure the heights are aligned, after which I pulled down the wood barrier and used plastic edge to give some room between the stone and the mulch. This is to enable me have a space to pour some beach pebbles. Here are the beach pebbles. I poured it in the created space and then watered it. This is the final stage, and here is the finished product. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified when I drop another similar video. Bye.